The typewriter, with its insistent dimension and its tactile, sensorial elements, offers us poets a unique partnership. With this tool in hand, our typewriter poets can be thrust into the energy of your event, whatever the environment, and create something just as unforgettable as it is. When your guests step away from the excitement of your event for a moment and step toward a typewriter poet, they step into a place of present reflection. This is where the magic of typewriter poetry really begins, where with just a few questions, our typewriter poets can begin to weave a tailored work of poetry around your guest's world, using their own words and infusing the atmosphere of the moment and the magic of poetry into it. By hiring us, you ensure your guests walk away with something they've never been given before, a custom work of art bearing their name. By hiring us, you ensure that your event is something that can never again be replicated as the site of a deeply personal and intimate experience that your guests will cherish for years to come.